Okay, tell the camera what you're doing. Since you nominated Buford and Annabelle, what are you about to do?
I need to eat pizza.
Say for the Ice Bucket Challenge. Say sit.
Sit.
Come over here, Buford. Buford, over here. Sit. Annabelle. Here, do it to Buford. Annabelle doesn't want to participate.
Oh.
Good job. Now go to the camera and say, donate now. Who should Buford and Annabelle nominate? Should they nominate Ranger?
Yeah.
How about Whisper?
Whisper.
How about Gus?
Does.
And Hershey?
Yeah, thank you, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome. How about Banjo?
Beto.
Say, we nominate y'all.
That name is y'all.
Candy, little kisses, goodbye.